Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I am going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, I request you click the subscribe button right now. Please complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please complete my 2K subscriber. Let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour. Wait, what is the result of Cardano cryptocurrencies of last hour? Oh my god, Cardano holder, it's your day. It's your day. I said you it's a very good change, as it's a absolutely very good change. As you can see here, then positive 0.66% are the good change of Cardano holders, as you can see here. And the current price and the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies as dollar 1.08 is the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies, and the current price is dollar 1.07 is the current price of Cardano cryptocurrencies. As you can see on the graph, the green candle are grows up, as you can see here. So that's mean that is the buying time of Cardano cryptocurrency. So that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Last 1 hour result you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So I will give you update of every hour. So please kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video notification and for all cryptocurrencies updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.